tell y'all how to cook a good steak. Take the steak when you get your steak rinsed off or whatever. A steak recipe is simple. Take your oven.
Turn it
Put your
on.
oven on 500.
Cast iron skillet.
Cast iron skillet, 500 degrees. Take you some butter, melt it. Put you some.
Oh, I heard you say. Yeah.
What you call it? Garlic.
Minced garlic.
You can put minced garlic in the butter. Mix it up. Spread it on the steak. Salt and pepper. Put it in a cast iron skillet.
Melt the butter.
And you don't really have to. Just put it on there. Or whatever, and fry it. Fry it on both sides. And then take some more of that butter and put on there. And then leave it in the skillet. Take it out. Take the whole skillet and put it in the oven for about 3 minutes. The oven is on fire. I don't know what it does.
It's the skillet, my nigga. The skillet.
Yeah.
Was I watching your stories or something?
I know.
You taught me how to cook.
Hold on, let's finish the recipe. Are we covering it?
No.
It got to brown.
That oven got to be 500 degrees.
Yeah, it gotta be hot.
So when that skillet, when that steak is kind of seared on both sides, take that bitch and put it in the oven for about 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay.
And then take it out, and then take some tongs, put that bitch right on the plate, and put some more butter on it. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, and some black pepper.
You ain't got no cookbook.
I'm doing this tonight. It's happening tonight.
Okay, FaceTime me. I'll walk you through it.
I'm doing it tonight, and I am recording the whole thing.
I will walk you through it.
I don't make my steak like that.
I know a chick that worked at Ruth Chris that gave me, like she said, it's simple. It's simple. And she just walked me through it, and that's how, because steaks that way taste better than grilled steak, unless you just want the charcoal, the taste of the charcoal and the taste of the hickory or whatever. But if you just want a good, juicy steak.
I do it on the top, in the cast iron on the top, or that grilling one on the top, but I don't put it in the oven.
Yeah, that cast iron skillet, just make sure that butter and that garlic and salt and pepper, sear it on both sides, and then take that bitch and put it in that oven for about 2 minutes. 500, close that door, and that shit gonna be hot. When this bitch come out, that bitch going.
I have one of the cast irons with the grill thing in it.
Nah.
Don't use that one. Use the regular one. Okay.
I mean, you can, but you want that butter and that flavor to get on up in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That old skillet with the shit all around.
No, I have a cast iron skillet down to a baby size. I got every size cast iron. I got flat ones.
And I'll tell you something else.
I got real ones.
When y'all make y'all macaroni and cheese up, don't cook it.
Don't cook what?
Don't cook the macaroni and cheese.
Bake
Yeah, don't bake it. Don't bake it.
Don't bake it.
Get your little bowls from Target or Pier 1. The little bowls.
They were so good.
So listen, when you want some macaroni and cheese, you can take this spoon out, put it in there, and put it in the oven and have your individual fresh macaroni and cheese.